Hey guys, and this is how you make a video on iPad iMovie. So you just click this video, you press movie, you click the video, and then you go into there. YouTube cannot, oh, I don't have internet right now, sorry guys. So you can see that in the background right now, and that's what you need to see. And you can press share, and then that goes onto YouTube. And that's how I learned, and that's how I make videos. You can go into edit and do all kinds of crazy stuff and stuff, but please like, subscribe, and share this video. See you guys in the next video. Peace out. Woo!